Are you disappointed with many mobile phone companies only focusing on their flagship devices? Well, it's good news for you. Over the last couple of years, Poco, a sub brand of Xiaomi, has been committed to launching excellent devices for their mid budget range users. Continuing that, it launched two new devices in international markets, one of them, which is the Poco X4 GT. Later in the video, the smartphone is not always smooth and snappy. This means it is common for the device to experience some problems keeping up with the full 144Hz refresh rate of the panel when multitasking. But when it comes to, hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to crack down on the latest Poco device X4 GT. Here we have everything from features list and details to the downsides to help you decide whether the device is worth your consideration or not. Well, through tweets and expert reviews, the device seems promising in the name of a solid upgrade over the X3 GT from last year and a more reasonable alternative to the standard Poco F4. The highlights of this device are its MediaTek 5nm Dimensity 8100 SoC and a long-lasting battery, both of which make it a budget-friendly gaming smartphone. The device surely ticks many boxes when it comes to user-friendliness. Even for longer gaming sessions, the smartphone gives optimal thermal management and excellent performance. Thanks to the 4500 mAh cell on board, it features a flat 6.6-inch 1080 by 2460 resolution IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate that further adds to the experience. It comes in two variants, a 128GB and a 256GB of storage, with both having 8GB of RAM. Though this combination looks perfect on paper, it, unfortunately, hasn't produced amazing results in the device. Resultantly, the smartphone is not always smooth and snappy. This means it is common for the device to experience some problems keeping up with the full 144Hz refresh rate of the panel when multitasking. This results in frame drops here and there, and intermittent memory management flaws. Experts predict this behavior due to MIUI 13 running on top of Android 12. Nevertheless, if you're counting on the device for good thermal management and core gaming, it might not disappoint you much. But I must say there is a trade-off here. If you're willing to sacrifice good picture quality for good performance, then buy your device without further ado. But those whose biggest catch in any device is a good camera may have something to worry about here. The triple camera setup barely inspires any selfie lover to take photos because of its lower than average color reproduction capabilities and quality. But if you get past the inherent quality drop, you'll quite oddly appreciate the camera's performance when it comes to low light photography, even in wide angle camera mode. Hands down, the best feature of the Poco X4 GT is its ultra long lasting battery. The 4500 mAh cell gives you worry-free performance that lasts up to 2 days, even with intense usage on 5G. This really can spoil you. As if it was less, the 67-watt charging brick included with the device tops up the smartphone to full in about 50 minutes. When it comes to the overall feel of the phone, it surely gets all the points. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection in the front keeps the device simple yet on point. The device feels luxurious to hold and surely gives a premium look. Especially in this price range, we can say it is tailor-made with all the right specifications. So, if you are in the market for a premium device that is meant to fit in your budget with a good design and future-proofing, the Poco X4 GT is one hell of your device. Finally, I would like to say it is a mid-range device with many twists and surprises. It may not have all the bells and whistles, but it does exceptionally well in areas pertaining to gaming. But if you are looking for a good camera, an AMO LED panel, or are a heavy multitasker, we recommend you look for some other device. So, this brings us to our review of the Poco X4 GT. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about our tech-savvy videos. Also, if you liked the video, give a big thumbs up and fill the comments with your thoughts and views. See you in the next video.